Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Brianna. Today I am here with another mug cake recipe. This is a 10 ingredient Nutella / hazelnut mug cake, and I will be making simpler ones to come. So let's get into this video. First, we're going to start out with 4 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we are adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Next, we are adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm super excited to try this. I love Nutella, so it's just like, might as well do this. So, 2. Just a pinch of salt. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to shake that a couple of times. And then it is a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to mix it all together. And then we'll get into the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we're going to start out with 5 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we are adding a tablespoon of oil. There we go. And last, what we are doing with the wet ingredients is we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There we go. Next, we're going to mix this all together. This is what it looks like mixed all together. Now we're going to take one of the 2 tablespoons of Nutella and spread it on the top. This is what the Nutella looks like spread on top. I know you really can't tell, but... And it was also really hard just because it is winter, and I've noticed in winter, Nutella is very hard to spread, so just getting that out there. Next, we are going to put our mug cake in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is what it looks like all microwaved. Now we're going to add the 1 more tablespoon of Nutella and sprinkle on some powdered sugar, and then it's ready to eat. Looks like all done, so let's dig in. I am so excited to try this. It actually looks really pretty. And I noticed when I was spreading on the Nutella that the cake was ripping, so I think it's going to be like super, super moist. It really is very moist. It is really delicious. I really recommend this recipe. If you'd like me to try any, comment down below. And there's more Nutella mug cakes to come. Bye.